Here I have Dongfeng Box and let me show you how to enable the front defogger. So all you need to do right now is use the home screen. Let's open the climate control by using this center button, and here you can find the windshield icon with those arrows to enable or disable the defogger. So basically this icon, if it's orange, it means that defogger is activated. If it's black, it means that it's disabled, and it represents the windshield. When you activate this, the car's ventilation system redirects the majority of its airflow toward the base of the front glass. How it works, it uses the AC compressor to dehumidify the air and the heater to warm up. Basically, you should use this when you have a foggy window or icy windshield. There is also a pro tip with this. If your windows are fogging up rapidly, make sure your recirculation is off. So right now recirculation is activated, right now it's off, because you basically need fresh air to carry the moisture out of the cabin. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.